Susan Traugh, author of Transition to Life and Daily Living Skills. And today we're going to talk about the basics of 3-ingredient cooking. I have a book coming out. If it's not on my site already, it will be soon, called 3-Ingredient Recipes. Only I'm kind of cheating because in those recipes I am talking about just the 3 main ingredients. The other things that I'm adding to it that aren't included in those 3 ingredients are salt and pepper. I'm assuming that you have salt and pepper at your house and that you can use it whenever you need to in a recipe in order to season something to your taste. Personally, I love these that you grind. I like the sound of it grinding, and I love the smell of fresh ground pepper. But you can use just regular salt and pepper and that would work just fine. The other ingredient that I like is garlic salt. It adds a little bit of extra flavor, puts that garlic taste into a lot of savory foods that makes the seasoning a little more interesting, but it's a real easy, all-around kind of a spice that you can use. Finally, because I like to keep things simple, I also use Italian seasoning in most every one of the recipes that are in this book. That way you don't have to have 50 different seasonings in your cupboard. Just need one seasoning. This little bottle is 88 cents at most big box stores, or you can get it at a dollar store, this brand or a very similar brand. And Italian seasoning has marjoram, oregano, thyme, rosemary, savory, basil, sage in it. Some combination of those that give a nice flavoring of a little of this and a little of that without being really overpowering. I also sometimes need you to put oil in your pan or add oil to one of your recipes. For the most part, we're talking about either a canola oil or a vegetable oil, an inexpensive oil that you can get either at the dollar store or a big box store. Canola and vegetable oil have real mild flavors. These you can cook with pretty easily and they don't burn or turn a nasty taste when you cook them on high heat. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is one of my favorite things. It might have a taste that's a little strong for you, but this is it's very healthy for you, and it's also good for you to put in salads or things where you need a little taste, but you're not cooking this oil too much. So these are the ingredients that we're going to add to any of the 3-ingredient recipes, and I hope you have them on hand. They are not expensive, other than olive oil might be expensive. And that way we can have 3 ingredients and cheat a little bit and still have a good flavorful recipe. So that's it for today. Thank you.